Hey, what's going on, YouTube? We out here on Hobe Sound Road, where the a lot of the wildfires were burning coming to the Keys. But I'm just stopping, you know, on my way to the Keys, seeing if I catch something on artificial, seeing if there's anything biting. This is a spot that I see people fishing all the time when I'm driving through here. Most of the people stay on US 1 when they're going to the Keys, but I like to come this way. It's a little bit more scenic. So yeah, right now I have the 2 poles out. I think I'm gonna actually, we have the mullet here, shrimp here. I think I'm gonna switch them to that side just to see if I get a bite. I did get a bite on this side, but I think it's nibblers. So we'll see. See y'all in a minute. Fish on. Fish on, y'all. Oh, fish on. Got me in the tree. I think they got me in the tree. Fish on, y'all. Got it back out. Feel like a shark. Feel like a shark. The fish on. Got a nice little head bump. Ah, come on, man. Come on, bro. Hey, look at that! Look at that remora! Look at the remora! Woo. Put no more back on. There you go. Look at it. Look at it. All right, that was definitely not a targeted species, but you know, we take the fight. We'll take the fight. Perfect hook set in the lip, but they're not toothy critters. Nurse sharks are not toothy critters anyway, so you got a chance to land those anyway. All right, all right. Oh, what is that? Oh, it's a little barracuda. Oh, that's what came up in there with doing all that, causing all that havoc. I saw like a fish. I thought it was like a little snapper. You can have it. It's a little baby barracuda, man. Free lining. All right, YouTube. So we're in Hobe. It's Hobe Sound, H-O-B-E Sound, or Old Dixie Highway. All right. Look at that school of mullet coming in. Look at that school of mullet. This is gonna be overfished. When we talk about off the beaten path, this is not it. So, yeah. I'm gonna go grab my cast net, see if I can cast net these mullet. If they stay here, they might just go right through. They may just go right through. All right, let's see. Let's see, YouTube. So we're trying to get close to the mangrove because a lot of these fish live and use the mangroves as their homes, as their protection. All right, fish, taking it. All right, fish on. Feel like a decent fish again. Oh man, a little small mangrove. That's that light tackle fool. Fool me because of that light tackle. Hey, I haven't seen one of y'all in a while. Hey, let my line go, buddy. Fish. Feel like a decent fish. Oh, feel like a decent fish, y'all. Feel like a decent fish, y'all. Feel like a decent fish. Oh, barracuda. Feel like a decent fish here. I'm a baby him. I'm baby him. I'm baby him. Keep his head up. 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 Oh yeah. Oh man, perfect hook set. Perfect hook set. Perfect hook set. I'm actually gonna go measure this guy. I'm gonna measure this guy. 15 inches. Let me measure him to the fork. Because I think the guy got me last time on that. Fork to the fork. Yeah, he's 16 plus. All right. 16 with barracuda. Look, I need some lunch, y'all. Right there. Oh, fair. Feel like a decent fish too, y'all. Feel like a decent fish. Snapper. Calm down, buddy. I want my shrimp back. Got a little bit bigger than the last one. I wonder what's in here. I just want to see what's in the water. What's in the water back here? If I see anything in the water back here. Man, look at that beautiful. Look how deep it is under here. It is really deep under these mangroves. The mangroves don't even look like they're going all the way to the ground. So that's how the fish, I guess, lives under it. Like it doesn't even go to the bottom. Oh man, some big snappers down in there. Oh yeah, some big snappers down under the mangrove. Oh, I see them. At least they were bigger. Man, there's a ton of fish down there. All right. We're gonna see if we can catch anything in here, in these mangroves. We're gonna see if we can get anything out of there. All right. I got a shrimp already pre-rigged. All right. I'm just gonna find somewhere to put my footing. Oh, snap. A sheephead. Big old sheephead. Big old sheephead. Big old sheephead. Snapper. Hey, big old sheephead came out from under the mangrove. Big old sheephead. Oh my goodness. I can't believe the GoPro wasn't on. But this is an easy keeper. This is 13, 14 inches. They just need to be 10. Oh my God, man. I'm sorry, YouTube. Just dispatched them. Perfect hook set. Perfect hook set. See if there's anything under the bridge. Oh, it's moving. I think it's moving. Fish. Oh man, you ran like you was a keeper. You ran like a keeper fish. Oh man. He ran like a keeper. Oh yeah, there you go. That cast was equal to the one. Oh man, they're jumping to get through. Oh man, it's gonna be a little fish. You know what? No, this is our babies here. This is our babies here. Yeah, just babies here. I'm gonna try something real quick. I'm gonna go this side to this pylon right here. I'm gonna go this side to the pylon. See if there's any snappers on these pylons. Go again right next to, I want to go right on the pylon. You know, snappers like structure. Oh, fish. Go, feel like a decent fish. Feel like a decent fish. Bigger than the ones we caught in the middle. You know, 8.5. Oh no. Man, I killed that big old shrimp. Oh yeah, good fish. Good fish. Feel like a keeper. Feel like a keeper. You know what it is too? The current. This might be a keeper. This might be a keeper. I'm gonna go to the car, go measure him. Zero. Yeah. All right. Just over 10, y'all. So I don't even think I'm gonna go all the way to the Keys. I might just keep my bait and go tomorrow. I'm loving exploring back here in Hobe Sound, old Dixie Highway. I'm enjoying this. So we might just keep doing this for the rest of today. Cook up the barracuda and snapper and keep it moving. So yeah, beautiful day. I didn't have to go far for an adventure. Right there. Then I watched the line. Something took it. Feel like a good fish. Feel like a good fish, but nah. I don't think it's a keeper. I mean, it look like a grunt. It look like a grunt. Are we looking to fry up a grunt today? Nah, it's too small. Maybe here. There you go. See, I'm gonna leave them with the food. These snapper fighters good. Look, they're poor. Oh yeah, fish. Feel like a good fish, but then it don't at the same time. On the initial little pull, it always feels like a good fish. This was a decent size one. Decent size one. Oh, grunt. Grunt. It's still a fish. I don't want to diminish you, grunt. Make it seem like, oh, grunt, like you're not a fish. You're a fish too, Mr. Grunt. All right, you too. Right up here, there's a triggerfish. I'm gonna see if I can catch it. I'm gonna see if I catch this triggerfish. See if I catch the triggerfish. Broke my damn line. It's back. Oh man, I thought they were the triggerfish. I thought they were the triggerfish. Yeah, I think this is a keeper, but we're gonna let it go. There's another close to a keeper fish too. I'm gonna measure this bad boy. I'm gonna measure this fish real quick. Look, YouTube, the line is right there. Boom. Look, this is 11 right here. Tail's right there, 11. I almost threw you back. The other one, it was 11 too. That's the third keeper. Hey man, I'm about to clean up and get up out of here. If I might go cook if I have time. It's 5:35. If I have time, I got everything already cleaned up, so the battery's about to die. So I'll see y'all in a minute. If not, man, I appreciate y'all watching the video. All right. I appreciate y'all watching the video. Hey, Hobe Sound, old Dixie Highway. Didn't even have to go to the Keys. Could have caught a limit. Had a great time. You know what I'm saying? It's just adventure, man. Get out of the house, take your... All right. In a few videos, I made mention to about how dry the Everglades has been. We've had wildfires down, this is Hobe Sound Road and old Dixie Highway. If you see the trees, the brown trees, all right, that's part of the burning, but here you'll see it right here. Here you see the burning that took place. You can see the ground is still, it's black and scarred from it, you know what I mean? That's why they closed the roads. They closed the roads. Could you imagine driving down this thing? They closed the roads. They closed the roads. Yeah, man. All the results of the wildfires that I've made mentions in the video. So yeah, you know, you can smell the charred wood and the burnt smell. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, hey, nature, man. I love nature. You know, with this destruction, we'll have a regrowth, and with that regrowth come new life. So, all right, hopefully nobody got hurt. If the inconvenience of not going to the Keys is not that big a deal, so can't complain about that, man. All right, just wanted to show y'all and so y'all can see, man, all this burnt land. All right, and we're still pretty dry, man. I don't want to call it a drought, but it seemed drought-like. Got the police behind me, so I gotta act like a good old safe driver, like I don't always speed.